Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I decorate my bathroom. It has stuff in it now, just like what we've been using since moving in here. So I'm ready to change that out because it's not what I wanted in that bathroom. That's actually supposed to be in the guest bathroom, but we actually had guests here, so everything got switched around. So I'm gonna change that out. I'm gonna show you everything that I got. Most of the stuff came from Target. I don't know if I got anything from Walmart. Target and Amazon, and then any other time she don't answer. I say Amazon one time and now here she goes. Anyway, I got most of the stuff online from you know who, Nosy Betty over there. And yeah, that's mostly it from there. I did take this, I'm gonna show you guys, this is a thing that I have in the bathroom. I spray painted it myself. I can leave a link for the spray paint that I use. I mean, it's this regular one. I got that from Walmart. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I do videos on makeup, beauty, skincare will be coming soon. What else? Oh, decorating, cooking. Now that I'm in my new kitchen, as y'all can see, I'm going to be doing more cooking videos. I actually have another cooking video coming up. I don't know if it's next or if there's one more in between here and that one, but I have a new cooking video coming up, and painting like on a canvas, not like the walls, because I had all of that done prior to moving in. But yeah, if you're new, make sure you subscribe, leave me a comment so I know that you're here, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that I know you want to see more like this and and the other videos that are to come. And without further ado, we're gonna go right into the bathroom. Okay, so first I want to show you guys, this is just the rack that I got from Target. It was this color. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a brassy nickel color. And I spray painted it. I just didn't flip it upside down because nobody better not come in my bathroom flipping stuff upside down. I look like a mess. I've been moving and cleaning and painting and spray painting and everything. But I bought it because I wanted it for right here between the sinks. I sprayed it so that it would match everything else. So I'm just gonna I wiped everything down already, but I'm just gonna re-wipe it since I've been like doing stuff in this bathroom. So yeah, I'm gonna wipe that down, then I'm gonna wipe this mirror. Even though I wiped it already, but I just wanna make sure that y'all see that I'm cleaning this stuff before I'm just laying stuff in it after people have been in here and been using the bathrooms. So I'm just gonna fix all of that real quick, and then I'll get to decorating the bathroom. So I didn't show it, but I mopped my floor. I use this by Clorox. It's in the spring scent. It smells so good, and it smells for a long time. So I use this on my floor, and I know I already wiped my counter down, and I'm extra, but I don't care. I use this because it, like, I don't know, it goes really good with this, and it don't have it backwards, so I'm really good for a long time. But this is by Mrs. Myers. It's the peony scent, and I'm just gonna spray the countertop with it just so that the smell is on it before I start putting my stuff on. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys the full rundown. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the full rundown of the bathroom. This is the shower curtain that I picked. It's like white and tan. It's coming off kind of gray in the video, but yeah, it's actually tan, like a beige color. I got these hooks and the curtain and the shower liner from Target. And I got black because this is black and this black is granite. So I wanted it to have like a little bit of differentness, even though the curtain rod is silver. I'm not keeping this plant here. Actually, I'm going to get one more of it and put it over here, but I'll get to that. These, all three of them came from Target, as well as these mats. This mat as well came from Target. That one came from Walmart, and now I'm wishing I got another one like this, but they didn't have this one in the under the toilet for the under toilet rug. But that came from Target. That's just a Glade plug-in. I actually have some SCENTSY melts, but I needed a new wax holder, so that'll be coming. And I'm actually gonna link my SCENTSY lady information down below, because SCENTSY is freaking amazing. And Hunter, she is the lady that sells it, and she does an amazing job, and she brings, I'm telling you, like, it, yeah, you need SCENTSY and you need it from Hunter. So I'm gonna link Hunter's information down below so that you guys can check her out. This set here, I just wanted a little color because this is so like plain, and I wanted it to be like this because I love white and I love like cream beige colors. So that's why I got it like this. And I just wanted to add like a little color in it. So that's why I put the green and this amber color. It's like a translucent amber color. This also came from Target. This was actually a gift, and it was beige, and I sprayed it today when I sprayed the rack itself. So I sprayed it so that it would match. It's not gonna stay up here. It'll actually end up probably here. But being that I don't have anything under there yet, because I'm waiting for some matching bottles to come from Amazon, and for my other stuff like my toner and stuff like that. So once that all comes, then this will be sitting down here like this. And I just put this doll soap in there because it kind of matched the color. And when I get another one of those plants, it's gonna go here and here, just to add some color. It's just a paper towel rack. I didn't have nothing else to do with it, so I just put it there. But everything is basically where it's gonna be. I didn't hang anything on the walls yet because I'm still getting the rest of my belongings from Wilson, from my other apartment. So once I do that, I'll have pictures of that stuff on my Instagram and my Snapchat. So make sure you check that out and connect with me on there. But that's pretty much it for this video. Oh, and there is a bathtub caddy in here. Forgot, but yeah, it's in there. That's why I didn't put my shower liner inside the tub, because the bathtub caddy is in there. And I ordered that from Amazon as well. I can link that if you guys want. I'll just link it. I'll link it down below as well. But yeah, this is how I decorated, well, started decorating my bathroom for the finished, like with when the bottles come and everything like that. I'm gonna have that on my Instagram and my Snapchat, so make sure you guys follow me on there. And if you like this video and want to see more like this, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye.